Come on, we need some audience participation here. Like I said earlier, if you don't have any rhythm, don't clap. Okay? I'm gonna introduce y'all to someone he's super talented. He's gonna throw a little solo for y'all today. Give it up for Keith. Come on up. Woo! Try that at home, y'all. I was gonna do this, but every time I have a concert myself, I like to get audience to sing with me. Are y'all ready?
Yes.
Who knows Spanish?
Woo!
Okay, the rest of y'all are deprived. I'm so sorry. so sorry, okay? I'll give you something pretty easy, okay? Let's see. Siente este calor. Okay? Can y'all say that? Siente este calor. Now that means I owe Shelly money. In English. Okay? Siente este calor. Now your turn.
Siente este calor.
Okay, let's do this. Just the men, just the guys. I just want to hear the guys. Only the good-looking ones. So all two of y'all today. Here we go. Ready? Siente este calor. Come on, guys.
Siente este calor.
That was okay. Okay, girls, are you ready?
Yeah.
Y'all don't be so uptight. This isn't the place. Girls, are you ready?
Yeah.
There we go. Okay, just the ladies. It's gonna go. Siente este calor.
Siente este calor.
One more time.
Siente este calor.
Oh yeah, here we go. No sé qué haría sin ti, sin la llama de tu amor. Feel my heartbeat, pulsa por ti. Y'all enjoying the UTSA string band? Come on.
Woo!
Yeah. this one, okay? Just letting you know. But thank you guys.